Good morning, and a lovely morning it is too. Now you're probably wondering, why is Bugsy on the street? And why on earth do I have my 2-inch ball attached to the truck? It can mean only one thing: new project. If you watched my teaser video, thank you very much for leaving a comment. And I can say no one got the correct answer as to what I'm getting. Some of you were very close. I'll give you a couple more clues before we go. You see that yellow trolley dolly? New project is going to sit on that. There's a clue. And also, in my box of fun is the most important part of this project. But you don't get to see that yet. Right, first thing I need to do, go to U-Haul, pick up a trailer, and then get our new project. Back in a minute, just getting a trailer. Let's go! Right folks, this will not take long. It's literally round the corner. Hang in there. And we're here! Okay, before I load it up, we'll take you in and show you what we are getting today. If you haven't guessed by the time you see it, you never will. Right, let's go. Are you ready? Okay, if you still don't know what it is, you never will. So here's a little montage of how it could look.
Hey.
So you might remember, this is Kevin. He has many projects. In fact, he has too many projects. And he's pretty much giving me this project. Isn't that nice?
It's awesome.
However, on the understanding that I actually built it. Yeah.
That's the, I wanted to make sure he was inspired to actually work on it, because I've always wanted to do it too, but got it so far, and then I said, let's give it to somebody who's going to move forward with it while I can go on with the rest of my stuff.
He just wants the
Absolutely.
space for a new project, I'm sure of it.
Well,
Right.
yeah,
He will, he'll
close,
build
keep
it.
Close.
So thank you very much, Kevin. We're going to get this on the truck and yeah, have a laugh at that. Excellent. Okay, thank you, Kevin.
Be safe,
Thank you.
and I'm looking forward to having this on the channel.
Yes, so 6 months on the road. Nah. Maybe I'm not even going to put a time scale on this. It'll be done when it's done.
Yeah, actually, it'll probably be done shortly after that.
Good point. Yeah. Right, thanks
All
again.
right, talk to you guys.
Take care. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Is that squint enough? That'll do for now. Looks like my new car Made it home in one piece. Literally one piece. So now I have to figure out how I'm going to get this off the trailer by myself and onto that trolley dolly. I'm sure I'll figure it out. But first, the final piece of the puzzle. Remember I told you about the most important part in my fun box? Build your own sports car for as little as £250. You're right. So, if you're from the UK and Europe, you'll know exactly what this is, right? North America, probably not. This is an iconic sports car that Caterham built back in the day. Lotus 7. It's basically a kit car, and you can build it from a book. Luckily, as you see, Kevin has already done the hard part. He has built the frame. So obviously there's still a lot of work to do on the frame, but it's really a case of adding, engine, transmission, brakes, axle, bodywork. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, the hard part is done. So with that said, that's it for today. The next video is going to be interesting because we are going to go through all the options that is available to turn this frame into whatever we want, and you guys are going to be a huge part of that. Excited to get started, but as I say, I need to unload this, get the trailer back, get home and chill out for the day, because remember, tomorrow is an important day for my wife, so it's going to be all mini content tomorrow. Thanks for watching. You're either going to love this or hate it. Either way, stick around, see what it turns into. Take care. Bye-bye.